Shout out to Blake Media and KibakiVideos. And Kibaki is from the continent of Africa, so he today is studying the major holiday known as Memorial Day. And so I want to share with KibakiVideos and whomever else may be listening to this or may listen to this, that they can become more informed about something or some things that are actually missing from what we've been typically told and shared in textbooks that shaped our psychic and our emotion all our lives. And so let me begin by saying that this symbolic photo here is about the ending of slavery, where we have, I believe, Lee and Ulysses Grant coming to a truce. However, so when we talk about Abraham and the Abraham Lincoln in the proclamation of freeing the slaves, he never freed the slaves. It was through political expediency that the only way that he could win this war was by having the slaves on his side. So it was for political reasons that the releasing of the slaves and they winning their freedom is the real story that's untold. But to this specific holiday, Memorial Day, we often see boots. We often see tens of thousands of red, white, and blue flags that have no connection whatsoever to the history or the origin of what we call Memorial Day. And for that matter, the dates have been changed a number of times over the years. And so to better reflect on that, just look at the fact that there were tens of thousands of black kids who were marching in Charleston, South Carolina for the dead, for all the blacks that have been killed, the slaves, the former slaves that have been killed in the war. And so that is the origin of your, what we call Memorial Day. That is your first Memorial Day. This has been documented. So it's not like I'm saying something that's not true. Anyone can look at this and see this for what it is. For those who are subscribed to a better understanding or better way of viewing this on a broader context, so that we all see. And of course, any loss of life is a loss of life. There are casualties of war. There's a loss of life happening all the time. Some loss of life we could care less about in this country. So it's all a perspective for me. Knowing things for what they are puts you in a better position to better help other people. Thank you.